I am Bonaldo Giovanni. I am 53 years old. I live in Italy near Venice. I have been working for 25 years in the machine tool and automation sector. Now I will detail my career in the industry. Point by point, we will analyze my resume, delving into the various points indicated on the slide. I summarized the four key points that best describe the results achieved during this career of over 25 years. Specifically, since my main activity is business development, I highlighted the 10 markets opened, some of which I am still following today, over 50 million euros worth of machines and plants installed, and the ongoing activities that have accumulated years of work, summarized as 2 billion euros of potential investments. The main business areas I focus on for my promotion activities are currently the aerospace and defense sectors, followed by power generation and industrial automotive, and the others are specific to certain types of special products. Historically, as a business developer, I still need to rely on dealers and subagents to better penetrate the market. Of course, to be efficient, but at the same time not hinder the activities of the dealer's sales network. I have always held roles as supervisor, specialist, or key account. On the contrary, the relationships with the manufacturers have always been direct, with business cards, company emails, and a fee that covered costs as well as commissions in case of machinery sales. All my partners were aware of each other and could oppose the entry of new partners if I proposed them to increase my lineup. Now I begin to list the technical skills accumulated over more than 25 years of experience in business development and technical analysis of various projects, often providing multiple technical solutions for the same project, then finalizing the most efficient solution based on the client's needs and preferences. Here I list the skills in the milling sector and metal cutting. It includes big size parts made by big milling machines, shaped parts such as aeronautics, mold and die, and production transfer lines for producing engine, cam, and crankshaft for automotive, or new style of giga casting for EV vehicle production. My skills in turning operations cover all sectors and range from vertical and horizontal turning of large size parts. Examples include power generation, textile, large constructions, to medium and small size parts, up to the production of medium and large volumes, per lots by Swiss turning technologies, by multi spindle turning and transfer, and by multitasking turning. The finishing by grinding and super finishing are very complex processes, especially when involving high volumes or per lots. The type of material and the previous roughing operations, as well as the change of type and handling of raw and finished parts, require fundamental technical details to achieve the desired results. Since the beginning of my career, I have been professionally involved in home automation and industrial automation, initially as a technician, then as a salesperson of systems of all sizes, not only in Italy but also in various countries around the world. In 25 years, due to the need to support primary technologies, milling, turning, grinding, I've had to deepen secondary technologies such as rolling, measurement, EDM technologies. Now, new materials, new needs, and new businesses require us to explore and propose new types of technologies that complement, replace previous ones more economically, perform better, or offer new developments that have never been studied before. In this sense, customers are true pioneers, and we help them to achieve targets by cost effective new solutions. Since 2024, I have seriously started to focus on using existing AI products for my work. I realized that any course was outdated due to the rapid evolution of this sector. Therefore, except for a specialized course on applying AI to negotiation strategies, purchased from Halifax, the remaining training is ongoing and quarterly, leading me to invest in increasingly updated and innovative products. This very presentation is the result of such investments, from the production of videos, the avatar, and the complex assembly of everything. Not only in marketing, but also in scouting, market research, and negotiation, AI is strongly helping me in my work and will do so even more in the future. From a logistical point of view, living near Venice is a privilege because with the airplane, train, and car, I can easily reach not only all Italian cities, but all of Europe, and directly or with a stopover the whole world. This is an advantage due to tourism, which has greatly encouraged the simplification of arrivals for many tourists from around the world, and for me, the ability to move economically for business worldwide. In conclusion, if you are interested in launching a product, building a sales network, or reducing a series of markets to direct supervision, I believe I can offer many years of experience and, above all, flexibility aimed at a continuously evolving market. Thank you for your attention.